The 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, tow hitch, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.